order to do some of the problems on your homework, you need to be able to find the slope and y-intercept from a table. So to find the slope from a table, you need to use the slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So to find the slope m, we're going to say this is x1, x2, x3, x4, y1, y2, y3, y4, and so on. So I can use y2 here to put in my equation, 32 minus, and 22 is my y1. Then go to my x's, 4 minus 2. So that is 10 over 2, which equals 5. So that is 5. So my slope is 5. These are linear, so the slope is going to be the same. All right, to find the y-intercept, you need to find the change in x and the change in y. So from 2 to 4 is the change of 2. 4 to 6 is a change of 2. From 6 to 8 is a change in 2. So if I had another box right here and I needed to get to 0, what would my change be from 2 to 0? Well, that would be 2. So to go backwards to 0, all I had to do is go back 2. All right, let's look at my y. From 22 to 32 is 10, 32 to 42 is 10, and 42 to 52 is 10. So then the change in y is 10. So to find what, since I only had to go back one time on the x, I just had to go back one time on my y, and I only had to go back 10. So 22 minus 10 is 12. So my y-intercept, B, is at the point 0, 12. So my y-intercept then equals 12. All right, we'll do one more. All right, I'll use y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So that is 15 minus 8 over 2 minus 1 is 7 over 1, which equals 7. So my slope equals 7. So this is my x1, x2, y1, y2. And now I'm going to find how much the change in x and the change in y. 1 to 2 is 1, 2 to 3 is 1, 3 to 4 is 1. Now from 8 to 15 is 7, 15 to 22 is 7, and 22 to 29 is 7. So to get to 0, it's only one. If I go back 1, I actually get 2 zeros, so that's 1. To go back one more time, I just have to go 7, so 8 minus 7 is 1. So my y-intercept is at the point 0, 1. So my y-intercept equals 1. Use this process to answer a lot of the about 2 or 3 or 4 questions on the homework. You're going to use the slope formula and then count backwards with the change in x and change in y to get your y-intercepts. Y-intercepts, slope. Okay, good luck. See you tomorrow.